everything that you design, you want to have this amazing effect on somebody, and the thought that somebody might have been negatively impacted by the fabric that was being produced, it was really horrifying. My name's Charlie Ross, and I am the founder of an ethical textiles company called Offset Warehouse. We were paying crazy amounts of money to go to trade shows, and we just thought, can't we meet these people on our own? About a year ago, we launched our Meetup group, Green is the New Black, as a way to bring together people who are interested in slow fashion and more mindful consumption in the design industry.
And we'll make sure that the needle, the thread.
To be able to host something like a shoemaking workshop or an embroidery event is a really beautiful way of being able to advocate for something which is really, really important without having to preach to people why they shouldn't be using unethical fabrics or why they shouldn't be buying from fast fashion outlets. It's been amazing, actually. There are a couple of people in particular who come almost every meetup event there is, and they're like our biggest advocates for the group. I think in this era it's really easy to just be behind a screen, so any chance you can get to get a face-to-face with somebody, especially somebody that you might not have reached out to on your own, I think it's always going to be a huge plus.